As you all know, no beautiful dress or makeup can make you look beautiful without having flawless, glowing skin. So, this video is all about getting glowing skin instantly. As a professional blogger, even I need to work on computer for hours. Living such a lifestyle and keeping your skin flawless is not going to be that tough if you follow right regime. So, have as much as water you can and a balanced diet. And don't forget to use this amazing rice facial at home. So, let's get started. First of all, you need a bowl. Now, take few spoons of rice and add some water in it and keep it for few hours. Now, make a paste of it. Step 1 is rice scrub. For that, you need to take 1 spoon of rice paste and a pinch of sea salt or any normal available salt you have. Mix it well and start scrubbing gently for 2 minutes. And gently clean your face with wet towel. Step 2 is rice massage cream. To make it, I am taking few spoons of rice paste and I am adding Vico cream in it and few drops of almond oil. Mix it well and apply on your face and neck and start massaging your face and neck gently. I am taking few steps of massage which is really good for relaxation and blood circulation, which gives instant glow on the face. I am all done with the massage. Cleaning up with the wet towel. Now our third and the last step is rice paste mask. To make that, we need rice paste, lemon juice, and I am cutting 2 pieces of potato, or you can choose cucumber for the under eye treatment. Apply this pack on the face and neck. Always clean your face and hand first. Use clean brush and towel to avoid any negative effect. Keep it for 20 minutes. Then wash it and you will get amazing glow instantly. Always give ice pack after any facial, which will close your pores to protect from dust or any kind of dirt. Don't forget to apply sunblock if you are going out after the facial. Now you can choose any dress you want to. You're all set for any party and date.